So I bring you on the side to show you exactly the ongoing construction. I showed you on the other side where the cranes are doing their job, doing the on-ground work is happening. On this side, you're able to see the board which is already there for Wynn Casino. So the construction is on time. Mark the date. As I mentioned, 1st of January 2027 is going to be the time when the casino is going to be ready. A lot of developments are going to hand over by 2026 and very few of them are going to be 2027. Emaar is coming up. Get in touch if you have any inquiry about Emaar or any other developer. For those who are new to Dubai, this is Dr. Khadija signing off. Any requirement, do let us know. My team will meet all of them. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.